Hey guys, this is Casey. So today's video I'm putting together because I often get a lot of questions about some very basic information as far as how to download MT4, what broker to use, and all that good stuff. So today I'm going to walk you through that process. Now for this video, I am using Lqdfx. If you don't have a broker, go ahead and click the link below and let's get set up. I am going to show you how to set up an account with one of my preferred brokers. Lqdfx is a broker I have used several times, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an account, and then also how to put it on your MT4 on your iPhone. So I just went to the website, which is Lqdfx.com, and here you can choose between a live account, which is actual real money that you have to deposit, and then a demo account, which is what everybody should be starting out on. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to set up a demo account, and we'll do Miss Testy Test, and I will put in my email address, and we'll put in a bogus phone number, and you press open demo account. Once you press that, they're going to ask you for a little bit more information, what your currency for your wallet is going to be, and it looks like right now all they offer is USD and Euro. And then you can select the platform that you're going to be using. Looks like MT4 is the only option. And you can select whatever starting balance you want to start with. So for those of you who are actually going to be trading your live money, you would put in the amount that you're actually going to trade. For those of you who are going to be testing for a funded account, you can choose whatever account that's going to be. So I'm going to put in $20,000, and then I'm going to make a password. Okay. And then you have to select that you've read and understood and accepted the policy, risk disclosures, and account opening agreement. You can find all of that here and read through it. And then once you've done that, then you can go ahead, check off the box, and press complete. So I'm gonna download MT4, the software for the computer. So now what I'm gonna do is set up MT4. Well, I'm gonna download that. I'm gonna set it up on the computer, and then I am going to show you guys how I would set it up on my phone as well. And then that's pretty much it. You can get to going. Now, I made this video because a lot of people lately have been asking me, you know, how do I set up the broker account? What is the broker account? So the broker account is basically where you put your money to trade. If you're going to deposit your own funds, if you are testing to trade with a prop firm, then they will give you all of this information that you need. So I believe that this has downloaded. And in the interim, what I'll do is I'm going to show you guys how to add this account to your iPhone. So for Android, it's probably going to be very similar steps. All right, so I've gone to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and type in the search bar at the top, MT4. Be sure to select the correct MetaTrader you're using. There's a 4 and a 5, but I am showing in this video how to utilize MT4. So I press the download button and I wait while it does its thing, and then I'll go ahead and I open it up. Now it's asking me if I wanted to allow the program to send me alerts and sounds and things like that. I've selected yes, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna select new account. Now there's 3 options on the screen. I'm gonna choose the second, to log into an existing account, because I've already set up the broker account. It's not gonna be in the list, so I gotta type it in. So I'm going to type in Lqdfx demo. if you have a demo, and live if you have a live. So for this instance, I've got demo. Now I've logged in, and I'm sorry, it's a little blurry, but there were only 4 pairs. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a pair, and I do that just by searching in the top bar, type in the pair, and press the plus button. And so now I am just going back, and I can choose from Forex majors, minors, metals, energy, indices, commodities, Forex TRY, cross, and exotic. So you see this chart looks a little blah. So I'm gonna go in and add just a little bit of style. So I'm gonna go to charts, and I'm just gonna turn on my ask price line and then also my trade levels. Then I'll go to colors, and I'll begin to customize. So I like a little pizzazz in my chart. So I'm just gonna go in and put a couple of my favorite colors in there, change the bar up and bar down candles to reflect something that makes it a little bit more fun for me to look at. You can customize this however you like. I don't like that grid, so I'm definitely getting rid of that. And I like purple, pink, and blue. So that's how I'm going to customize my chart. And so I'm just going here, selecting the color, and making sure all of my settings are correct before I go back and I check the chart. And I think we should be just about good. Get rid of those lines, and let's check it out. Okay, it looks like I forgot to change the bar up color, so I've got to go back and fix that. So I'm just going to go back to colors and navigate to the bar up section and change that to closer something to what I like. And at this point, my chart should be pretty good to go, which it is. It looks awesome and amazing. But it looks awesome. But I've also got the indicator window at the bottom. Now you guys know I only use the RSI, stochastic RSI. So to get to that, you press the screen, tap on indicators, and in the window 1 you'll see RSI. So I click that. I click that, and then I've got trending indicators I can use. I've got oscillators I can use. I've got indicators that show me volume, but what I'm going to use is stochastic RSI. I don't really change the settings. I put it in there, and then you see it goes right on top of the indicator that's there. So I'm going to get rid of the relative strength index. All right, and then it should look a little cleaner. It does. So this is perfect. Now I'm just gonna go in to objects. I'm gonna go into objects, and a lot of people don't know you can actually use Fibonacci on this too, but you can add horizontal lines, vertical lines, angled lines, arrows, all different kind of tools. You just have to add it on there. So I am going to go back to objects, and I'm going to pick up a fib. I use fib. Y'all know I love fib. So here you've got a host of Fibonacci tools that you can use. The one that I use is a Fibonacci retracement tool. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm gonna go from my swing low to a swing high. Now I can also change like my levels. So you guys know I use extensions, so I can go in here, I can edit the different levels, I can put them into whatever I use or I like, so that the same thing I do in TradingView I can see on my phone. Now Lqdfx would not allow me to record myself logging in, but there's a login screen that you're going to see, and you simply just put in the username and the password that you chose. So the username is the account number that they assign you when you sign up for the account. And then once you do that, you now have the desktop version of MT4. So just like what's on your phone. I really don't like this version. It reminds me of like 1990s DOS software or DOS, however you say it, like the very first computer that ever came out. So I don't use this. I don't like the flexibility in editing and drawing up charts. So I use TradingView to draw up my overall ideas. And then when I want to get very granular about my entry, I come here and I look at where I want to look at, or I just use my phone to do it, because I'm using the same tools that I use on TradingView, Fibonacci, levels, all that good stuff. So by now I have logged in. You'll hear the fairy noise soon. And I am now in the account. So you can literally have 4 accounts open, or 4 charts, not accounts, open, and you can buy and sell directly from the platform. So I hope this has helped you guys. I hope it's offered some assistance to you. This video, again, is for people who are very new and just don't know and are overwhelmed with everything going on. So if it's been helpful for you, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in seeing some of my analysis and going along with me on this journey, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to take a look at Lqdfx as your broker, there's a link below where you can sign up. And also, don't forget to join us in our Forex Mastermind group. We get together a couple times a month and we mark up charts. So I'd love to have you. It's no cost. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday and Sunday, and I will see you on my next video. Have a good one. Bye.